Hey, my resume is getting rejected every time when I apply for the jobs. I don't know what's wrong.
Oh, that's sad. But hey, have you checked your ATS score?
ATS, what is that?
Really? You do not know about ATS? Come on, let me explain. So, ATS stands for Applicant Tracking Systems. Many companies use these systems to scan and rank resumes. They are looking for specific keywords and criteria. If your resume does not meet these, it might get rejected before a human even sees it. Here's an interesting fact. About 75% of applications to big companies are rejected by ATS. But don't worry, we are here to help you navigate this. First things first, an ATS friendly resume is a resume designed to be easily read by these systems. They scan and rank resumes based on how closely they match a set of criteria and keywords. So, how do you make your resume ATS friendly? It's pretty straightforward. Use an ATS friendly resume template and tailor your resume to the job you're applying for. And guess what? Once you have created your resume, you can actually check how ATS friendly it is. Websites like My Perfect Resume, Zeti, SkillSyncer, and JobScan offer free ATS resume checkers. These tools can scan your resume, give you a score, and provide feedback on how to improve it. And that's a wrap for today, folks. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more job hunting tips and tricks. Remember, your job is just a well-crafted resume away.
Thank you for sharing valuable information to me. From now onwards, I'll check my ATS score and then apply for the jobs.
No problem. All the very best for your interview.
Thank you.